So till now we have completed the basic features of sketch, then basic of assembly, and now we are moving to the drawing part. So the first step to make a drawing is to click on new option, then click on drawing. When you click on OK button, this kind of interface will come in front of you, where you can select the default page size according to your purpose, or you can select a custom sheet size and adjust the width and height according to your purpose. I will select the standard sheet size as A3 landscape and click on OK. So you can see this kind of interface will come in front of you. Similar to the assembly part, here you can browse your assembly of which you want to make a drawing. So you can see the orientation come in front of you, where you can choose the orientation according to your purpose. You can select the left side, right side, front, bottom, or the top view, or the isometric view. I will select the front view and paste it over here. So you can see the assembly is dragged to this sheet. Now we have to project the other views of this part. Just drag your mouse to the direction in which you want to draw that view. This is the side view. Then you want to draw the top view, then drag downwards. Then you can see the top view has drawn. And if you want to draw the isometric view, draw in diagonal direction. And you can see the isometric view is drawn. Then simply click on escape button and that's it. If you want to edit this table, just right click on the sheet, edit sheet format. So you can see the sheet options are open for us. Just simply select all this title box and delete, and from here you can draw the table according to your purpose, in which you can make the title box. You can customize the table simply by editing features of the sheet. If you want to give the names, just go to annotation option, just click on note and you can give the title as Cotter join. You can increase the size, you can change the font, you can click on bold. This way you can edit this table and select back. Now here if you want to change the scale of this drawing, just click on that drawing. You can see the options that come in left side. Just drag downwards. Here the option is use the custom scale. You can select the scale according to your purpose. Then just click on OK. Now if you want to draw the section view of any part, just select on that part, go to view layout, go to the section view option. Then you can see the cutting line options that will come in your left side. Just select the cutting line. I will select this and click on OK. So this kind of pop-up will come in front of you, where you can select auto hatching option, extruded fasteners. Just click on OK and you can see the view is generated over here. You can change the direction of an arrow and you can see the section view has been drawn. I will remove it now. Similarly, if you miss any projected view, just click on projected view, click on that drawing and you can see the projected view will be shown. This way you can paste any projected view that is left by you. Then there are detail view option, broke out section, break. What is the use of this break option? I will show you. Just click on any part in which you want to do the break. If your drawing is too long, then you can use this break option. If your sheet size is limited and your drawing is bigger, then that time you can use this break option. You can break the drawing in two parts. This way you can see, and by default it is known that these two parts are continuous. So this way you can use this break option. Now in annotation, the first option is the smart dimensions. You can give the dimensions to the drawing. Just click on any of the line. You can see automatically the dimensions are shown to you. Similarly for circle, click on the perimeter of circle. You can see the diameter of circle is shown to you. Similarly you can give other circles also. And if you want to change the size of this text, just click on it, go to others. Here you can see the option is use document font. Just untick that option, go to fonts. You can change the size of your text. So you can see the size has been increased. Similarly, you can change the arrow shapes. Similarly, you can do for other dimensions also. Here there is an option of model items. If your drawing is very much complex, you can select on model items, click on source as entire model, then click on your model and you can see the automatically the dimensions are given to your model. Simply click on OK. Then there is a format painter option. If you want to give this format of a size other text also, then simply click on that text, click on format painter and click on other text. So you can see the size of this text is also increased. Simply go on clicking on the text of which you want to increase the size. This is a use of format painter option. Then there is an option of linear note patterns also. Here there is an option of balloons. If you want to number any part, then click on balloon, then click on that surface, you can see the balloons are generated. Simply you can edit the numbers according to your purpose. This is the use of balloon. Here there is option of auto balloons also. You can click on auto balloon. You can click on that part. Automatically the parts are numbered. You can simply click on OK. Then there is a surface finish. If you want to show the machine operator that you want to give the surface finish to certain part, then click on surface finish and click wherever you want to give the surface finish. Then there is option of weld symbol. If you want to show the operator that there is a welding in your drawing, you can click on weld symbol and you can simply click on any surface where you want to show that there is a welding. Then there are options that you can edit the hatch. You can make a table. If you want to draw any sketch, there is option of sketch, and other options are similar. There are no change. Basically there was change in view layout, annotation, options only. So I have explained you these two options. So this was with the drawing options. If you like the videos, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon near it, and stay safe and happy learning. Thank you.